You can use this secret strategy to make money online and can earn anywhere between $300 up to $500 a day for completely free. And, as per the community post on CashPro channel, the $100 giveaway is going to happen today in this video. Not only that, I will also give away some secret course materials to you that are worth over thousands of dollars, so stay tuned until the end. The first step is to come over to Instagram.com. We all know about Instagram and how it works, but you won't believe that you can earn money like this every single day by just copy-pasting some posts to Instagram. And the good thing is that you don't even need to copy-paste if you don't want to do that. You can just use this free AI bot, press start, and boom, this AI bot will do all the work for you. But first, let me show you the secret method which will earn you over $300 a day. So, just come over to Instagram and create a brand new account if you don't have one already. Create a business or professional account on Instagram and log into it. Now what I want you to do is choose a specific niche for your Instagram theme page. Don't worry, you don't need any followers for this, nor you need to sell anything. You can do this even with 0 followers and can still earn over $300 a day. Now the top 3 niches are health, wealth, and relationships. And because all of you watch videos related to make money online, you have good understanding of wealth as compared to others. So, I would suggest you to go with wealth niche, that is make money online niche. Now once you choose your niche, step number 2 is, you just need to start copy and pasting posts from other Instagram theme pages in make money online niche. But before that, let me show you how much potential Instagram theme page business hold. So, come over to Easy Side Hustle Ideas Instagram theme page, which as the name suggests, is also in make money online niche. Now, if you go through the side hustles highlights of this page, you will find how much they are earning from this one single theme page. Over $400 in single day, that is really awesome. Just like this, if you take a look at Money Top's Instagram theme page, this page is only 10 months old and they still managed to get 100k followers. Now, if you open their IG Money highlights, you will find that they are earning over $3,000 to $5,000 in every 2 to 3 hours. Not even that, he also made over $20,000 in just 1 hour using the same secret method I am going to reveal in this video. And you can be from anywhere in the world and you can still make money with this secret trick. The perfect example of this is Income Inspire theme page. This guy is from India, he has got over 95,000 followers. And if you take a look at his IG Money highlights, you can see he started with making $30 a day in the starting by selling digital ebooks on Instagram Growth Secrets, selling digital products from ClickBank and from Warrior Plus to earn affiliate commissions, getting paid for story and post shoutouts, or doing some paid sponsorships. And fast forward today, this guy is earning close to $1,000 a day, or even over $1,300 in a single day. This is the power of Instagram theme business. So, I would suggest you to take the best posts from each one of these pages and post the best post only to your theme page. For example, if we take Easy Side Hustle Ideas page, you can see that most of the post gets under 100 likes. So, if you find a post that has over 100 likes, you need to download that post and upload it to your Instagram theme page. But don't forget to give credit to this page in the description of your post. So, there are many posts with over 100 likes, just download them and upload to your page. Once you choose which post you need to copy and paste on your theme page, the step number 3 is to choose the offers you want to promote to earn money with this method. So as I showed you on Income Inspire page, this guy is monetizing his views through story and post shoutouts, through affiliate marketing, selling digital ebooks, and much more. And you can do the same if you want to. But the best of the best method to earn money with make money online niche is to use the CPA marketing, where you don't even need to sell anything. People just need to take a survey, install an app, or fill in some simple information about themselves, and whenever they do so, you will get paid. And for this, you can use CPAGrip.com, which is one of the best CPA network out there. Just create an account on CPA Grip and log into it. This is how your dashboard will look like. Now, I want you to hover your mouse on monetization tools and select URL or file lockers from there. You can see all the URL lockers we created for our previous videos on CashPro channel. Even today, we are going to create a new locker by pressing this Create New URL Locker button over here. Then, scroll down a little bit, click this box of Terms of Service, and press Continue button to proceed. Now on this page, we will create the offer for your Instagram audience. And once your audience completes the offer, they will be redirected towards their reward of Instagram Growth Secrets ebook, which will look something like this. And to find this ebook, you just need to come over to CashPro giveaway website that I have created for you guys. The first link in the description of this video will take you to this giveaway page. But don't rush to the website just right now, because if you do so, you will get confused and you won't get the $100 giveaway. There is a proper procedure to claim your giveaway, which I will show you somewhere in this video. For now, once you reach the giveaway site, just scroll down to the bottom of this website and you will find a link button for the Instagram Growth ebook, which will take you to another website where you and your audience can find the Instagram Growth Secrets ebook. This ebook is also worth $100, but I have decided to give away this to you for completely free. And later on in this video, I will show you how you will get $100 cash giveaway along with $1,000 plus of premium course materials for completely free. So stay tuned until the end. Coming back to CPA Grip, we will create the offer for your audience. So first of all, I want you to click on templates on this page, and from here you can choose any template you like for your offer. But for the purpose of this video, I would suggest you to go with this template. After that, just come back to general settings from here. Now in the name box, I want you to write something like Instagram Growth Secrets ebook worth $100. Leave the text button and offer help text as it is. Next, in the header text I want you to copy your name from above and paste the same in this box. Then write something like human verification. Complete any one offer to proceed, as you are seeing on the screen right now. Now in the lock URL, you will paste the link of this website where your audience will be redirected once they complete any one offer, and where your audience will find this Instagram growth ebook. So, you will go to the CashPro giveaway website, scroll down to the bottom of this page, and click on this button over here. It will take you to this website where you can find this Instagram ebook. So, you will copy the link of this website from there, and you will paste the link into this box on CPA Grip. Next, you want to change the text of anchor text and write something like, after completion, you can download Instagram Growth Secrets ebook worth $100 for completely free. Now, your offer is almost ready, and you can preview it on the right-hand side. This is how your offer will be shown on the screens of your audience. And once they see this, they will complete the human verification by clicking on this button of I am not a robot. And as soon as they click, they will be shown some offers, which might be some survey offers, app install offers, or some giveaway type offers. They just need to complete any one of the offers shown on their screen, and as soon as they complete the offer, they will be redirected to this website where they can download this Instagram ebook. And on the other hand, once they complete any one offer, you will be credited few bucks by CPA Grip, depending on the offer your audience completes. So for example, if your audience is from United States and they complete this offer of cash giveaway right here, you will be credited with $1.02 for each person completing this offer. Let's say, if only 1,000 people completes your offer, you will get paid $1,020. And I will show you how you can get thousands of people to complete this offer so you can earn even more than $500 a day. One of our subscribers asked a really great question in the comments section, which you can see on the screen right now. This is where most of the people get confused, so I am going to answer this question for all of you who do not understand how things work online. The question goes like this: how exactly is My Lead gonna pay me? My Lead is another CPA marketing network, just like CPA Grip. So, this was the answer of how CPA network works and how you are gonna get paid using them. Whenever people will complete your offer, you will get paid by CPA Grip for each person completing your offer. Another question he asked was that whether he will get paid by both My Lead and Pinterest. Pinterest is just a traffic source we used in this particular video, so you are not gonna get paid directly from Pinterest, but you will derive the traffic from Pinterest to your CPA Grip or My Lead offers. And once people complete the offers, you will get paid by the CPA Grip or My Lead, whatever the case may be. Now once you understand how things work here, I want you to click on save and save this locker. And this is our locker for Instagram theme page. The step number 4 is to come over to sites.google.com. Google Sites is a free tool made available by Google where you can create your websites for completely free. So just click on this plus icon and you will be taken to this page where you can start creating your website. First thing I want you to do is to delete this header from this delete icon over here. Next, I want you to select the embed option from right hand side and make sure by URL is selected here. Now I want you to leave this page open like this and come back to CPA Grip again. I want you to copy the link for your locker that you created for your audience. Just click on Get Links, and from here you just need to click where it says Copy Link to copy the link for your locker. Then, come back to Google Sites and paste the link in this box right here. Let it load and click on Insert to insert this locker to your website. Once you do that, this is how your website will look like. Now you need to publish your website by pressing this publish button on top right corner. And here, you need to give your website a unique username. And you can choose the username anything like this, or you can name it something related to Instagram growth that is available. After that, just click on publish and your Google website will be published. Now, you can preview your website by pressing this icon over here. Copy the link to your website and paste it in new tab. So, this is how your website's gonna look like. And now, I want you to paste your website link into the bio of your Instagram theme page. And for this, you need to log in your Instagram account into your mobile phone because you can only add the links to your bio on your mobile device. Now once you do all this, the next and most important step is to promote your theme page to the audience that is interested in earning on Instagram. Because if no one views your ebook offer, then no one will complete the CPA offers in your locker. And if no one completes the offers, you won't make any money. So, to promote your ebook, you can start following the followers of these Instagram theme pages because they already have the followers interested in making money online. And this is the best and fastest way to get followers and to promote your ebook. Once they see that you have followed them on Instagram, they will check out your profile, where they can see that your page also teach about making money online, and most of them will follow back. Also, they will notice that you have a link in your bio, using which they can start making money with Instagram. And as soon as they click the link and complete any offer, you will get paid. Now, doing this follow thing is little hard because you need to keep in mind that you do not follow more than 30 accounts in last 5 minutes. Otherwise, your account may get banned. And for this, you can use this free tool called Samibo. You can download this to your computer device, and you can start using this tool to automate the process of following on your Instagram page. All you have to do is open new tab on Samibo. Click on Open a Module button. Scroll down a little bit and select the Instagram promo option from there. Then on this page, we need to add some filters, such as select targeting from here and enter keywords related to your niche, that is make money. than an engagement, I would suggest you to increase the percentage of following to 90% and disable likes and commenting completely and just click on save and continue button over here. After that, you need to log in using your theme page ID and password and you will be sent to this page where you just need to press start and this AI bot will start searching for your keyword, following different accounts and make money niche. This will help you to reach a lot of followers and will help you to make over $400 a day easily and effortlessly. Now about the giveaway. As per the community post, most of you people want me to give away something worth over $100 to everyone on this channel. And if I decide to give away $100 in cash, then that would mean giving away over $4 million. Because on an average, our videos cross 40,000 views on this channel. And that is not possible for me right now because I am not a multi-millionaire yet. Hopefully, I will become one in future. But at the moment, I don't have $4 million that I can give away in cash to my awesome audience. But for you, I have decided to give away $100 to 10 lucky winner of this channel. And I have decided to give away 3 premium courses worth over $1,000 each to each and every person watching this video. Now to gain access to those courses, you can click the first link in the description of this video and you will be taken to CashPro giveaway website. Now if you scroll down here, you will find this $100 giveaway button. And when you press this button, you will be shown some offers that might be some survey offers, giveaway offers, app install offers, etc. You just need to complete any one offer and once you do that, you will be redirected to this website from where you can download these premium courses to your device. But make sure you download these courses before 30th November 2023 because I will remove this giveaway button after that. Each course you are seeing on the screen is worth over $1,000 and the reason why I have locked the giveaway website is so that you can practically learn how that CPA Grip website actually works. Also, I will show you my earnings from this. And the 10 lucky people who will get $100 in PayPal, I have included the list of them on this website too. You can download the list from here and if you find your name in this, just send me a DM on my CashPro Instagram page along with the screenshot of any one of your comments on my YouTube video and I will send you $100 to your account. That's it for today. Thanks for 100k subscribers.